Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 16th of September. And first of all, national news. Multi-crore tech support scam busted in Guwahati, nearly 200 detained. Disability does not deprive person of right to practice any profession. Delhi High Court. Space next frontier of collaboration. India's envoy to US. Wrong to say it has no data. Chief Justice on Judges' appointment system. Illegal highway tax, Hawala and price rise, Manipur's silent problem. Rupees 50 lakh penalty on Bengal for failing to transfer corruption probe to CBI. Himachal Chief Minister donated his savings to disaster fund. And Defense Ministry cleared acquisition of military hardware worth 45,000 crore. Now international news. UK declared Russia's mercenary group Wagner a terrorist organization. Flight in US dropped 28,000 feet in 10 minutes, then reversed course. Once World Heritage Sites, Ukraine's Kyiv. Lviv now in danger list. Circus performers spinned 8 flaming hula hoops, broke Guinness World Record. China Defense Minister not seen in weeks being probed by Beijing, a report said. Now some sports news. Arteta hailed record signing Rice quick adaptation at Arsenal. ICC is toothless and unprofessional. Arjun Ranatunga. Everton acquired by US private equity firm 777 partners. Lionel Messi Erling Haaland nominated for FIFA Best Player Award 2023. News related to business. Russia raised interest rate as inflation exchange rate worries continue. Nobel Foundation raised amount for Nobel Prize awards still 11 million kroner. Britain to pump $621 million into Tata Steel to decarbonize Welsh plant. News related to science. ISRO to launch first test vehicle mission for Gaganyaan in a month or two. Chandrayaan-1 data suggested electrons from Earth forming water on Moon. And that's all in news. Thank you.